This is the Dream Weld Shop grand prize, and I want you to win all of that. Ooh. To celebrate the end of a successful TFS Summer of Welding event, I was going to bring back Weld With Me Live for everybody who didn't get the chance to make it here to Vegas to learn in person. Except I'm short-staffed. That's a 4-person production. And I don't actually have that. But since I already organized the entire campaign for this, I still have to give this stuff away. And the grand prize of that Dream Weld Shop giveaway is a Primeweld TIG 325X, a Primeweld 285 MIG, a Primeweld Cut 60 plasma cutter, a Primeweld fixture table along with a Weld Metals Online benchtop plate, a fresh new pair of TIG and MIG gloves, as well as Kevlar sleeves from Defiant Metal, courtesy of Weld Metals Online. And to top that one off, we're going to teach you how to use all of that equipment with a $300 gift card from weldcoach.com. And if you're the winner of the Dream Weld Shop grand prize, I'm going to personally call you on the phone from this desk right here during a live stream. Now that live stream is going to happen on Saturday, November 4th, 2023 at 12 p.m. Pacific time. And no, you don't need to be tuned into the stream in order to win, but imagine the surprise when I start calling somebody and your phone rings. Now during that stream, we're rolling it AMA style. You can ask me about welding, you can ask me about fabrication, maybe about what's going on with TFS, you name it. Toss it in the comments and we'll see where we go with it. I'm also going to be answering the questions that you guys have been asking in the comments on both TFS and Weld Coach YouTube channels during that stream. And just for some extra fun, I decided to add a phone line that you guys can call into on that stream and ask me questions directly. I think that ought to be pretty fun. You know, like this kind of fun. That's gonna make me dizzy. Now, to enter into the Dream Weld Shop grand prize giveaway, simply head over to weldmetalsonline.com, and every $5 you spend gets you entered into the Dream Weld Shop grand prize giveaway. Literally every $5, that's an entry. And there's other ways to do it too. You know, I don't think I've ever done a video before where I've sat in so many different chairs. Okay, I guess this'll do. Now, important, the deadline for the Dream Weld Shop grand prize giveaway is going to be Tuesday, October 31st, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. But between now and then, I'm going to be choosing random orders to throw in some extra stuff. I also have a Primeweld TIG 225X, a Primeweld MIG 180, a Primeweld Cut 50, and a Primeweld fixture table with the Weld Metals Online benchtop welding plate. And all of these prizes will include a $100 Weld Coach gift card. Now these are going to be completely at random, separate from the actual giveaway itself. All you got to do is pick up your phone. I forgot to put my legs back on. But can we make this deal any sweeter? Absolutely. For the entire month of October, every MIG or TIG welding machine sold on Primeweld's website will be given an optional $50 gift card for weldcoach.com, where one of our really awesome coaches will help you set up your machine, get you running, get you familiar with it, whatever you need. For that time, it's all yours. All you got to do is ask for it after you purchase your machine. Now, the winner for each of my giveaways is going to be contacted by me personally, directly via phone call. In other words, if somebody is down in the comments saying, congratulations, you won, chat, hit me up on this app or whatever the case is, it's not me. You didn't win anything, and they're probably going to ask you for money, which I'm not going to do. That means it's a scam. So you need to report those people. The only way you can win any one of my giveaways or get the confirmation of it is if I call you directly, personally, and say, congratulations, you've won, or whatever it is that I'm going to say. It will be me on the other side of that line. So if you fall for any one of these other giveaway things on any of the social media outlets, it's kind of on you. I'll call you if you won. For official rules and details about this grand prize giveaway, you need to go check out weldmetalsonline.com and read all about it. I'll also have the links for everything else that you need to know about with some description of everything down below in the top comment, in the description, etc., etc., etc. Now, if you do have any questions about this that I can't answer, drop them down in the comments box below or contact me in the normal ways in all the areas that I operate. That'll also be in the information down below. I promise I'll try to get back to you as best as I can. Now, I do have some more videos coming out, and I hope you subscribe so that way you can watch all of them and all that other good stuff. I promise I'll leave out the chairs. Good luck to you. See you on the next episode.